I learned a major money lesson this year, and it totally changed my life. I'm going to share this with you because it's personal, and I know that a lot of us career women may find ourselves on this table. In September, I had a coaching session with my coach. I'm a mom of 3, an HR director, career professional. I also coach, but a coach needs a coach. So while I was in that coaching session with my coach, we got into a conversation about income and expenditure, and a number of questions were asked, and I saw that I had been putting money on the table without using the money. So what is this lesson? If you do not understand the language of money, you will not know how to value yourself. How does money work? You have to know how to earn it. You have to know how to manage it, track it, and make it work for you. It's about you seeing money as a tool and not just a means to survive. It's a tool for you to pursue and achieve all that God has placed in your hands. So I'm going to share how this language of money has completely transformed my life. I've been able to know how to use my time better. I know how to harness my skills. I know how to be confident doing what I'm doing to earn me more money, and that is what I'm bringing to you today. Proverbs 27:23 says, "Be diligent to know the state of your flocks and attend to your herds." I just was not being diligent with my finances, and when we talk about being diligent with your finances, it's not just overspending. No, it's about you knowing how to use what comes in, how to harness that thing, sending it out again to make more for you. You are earning, but you're not growing your money, or you want to learn how to earn more. So I'm taking you now into the key components of the language of money. Earning. You have to understand the value of your skills and talent and know how to monetize them. Tracking. You have to know where every penny is going to. What are you using every naira, every dollar that comes into your hands for? The third is budgeting. You have to give your money a purpose so it works for you. A lot of people think that budgeting is a waste of time. As a career woman, as a mom, you ought to know how to budget. Don't just spend money that you did not plan for. Then saving. You prepare for future emergencies. You prepare for future needs. And the fifth element is grow your money. Invest. Know where to put that which you have earned and grow it. So it's not just about I'm making so amount of money. It's much more about discipline. It's much more about strategy and a mindset shift. When you learn how to speak this language, you will not just survive, you will thrive. You will be able to fund your dreams and God-given assignments. God has placed something in your hands. He wants you to use it for impact and also improve your life. When you also understand the language of money, you'll be able to build a legacy for yourself, for your family, for your generations to come. So I want us to see beyond the fact that knowing the language of money is just for myself. It transcends beyond you. You know, there's a particular scripture that we often quote. Luke 16:10 says, "Whoever can be trusted with little can be trusted with much." So when God gives us something and we use it well, He will give us more. That's about it. So for the next 30 days, thank God the year is about to end and the new year is just around the corner. Write everything that you spend money on, whether it's for groceries, airtime, even your children's school fees. No matter how little it is, just write it down. Then at the start of the month, you create a simple budget. You don't need an app that would discourage you, right? You could just get a pen and a book and write out key areas in your life that you spend money on. So you are allocating your income into categories. Then set financial goals. What do you want your money to do for you? Is it starting a business, taking a family trip, or you want to write an examination? Set the financial goals, and then you have to save intentionally. Make sure you are saving any money that comes into your hands, a particular percentage that you have earmarked for that category. Use that percentage, calculate it, and save that money. Consistency is much more important than the amount, because you are building this habit and you want it to stick. Then pray for wisdom. Ask God, Lord, how do you want me to spend this money? What do you want me to use money for? I need guidance in managing my finances. Lord, help me. So that it would lead you and guide you into the actual and important things that you need to spend money on. When I started doing this, my life changed. My life changed. I'm happier. It's not like I'm earning like times a million of what I used to earn, but of course I'm earning more because I now see how my skills, talents, my knowledge, I've seen how they are all important, and I now know how to monetize them. I have been able to place value on the right skills that I have. I feel so much more in control, and I started seeing money as a tool for purpose. It's really amazing how a simple habit like tracking your money can shift your entire perspective. Just a simple Excel sheet that I created to track every dime spent. I don't spend anyhow. I don't spend money on what I did not plan for if it's not important. You'll be able to value your time now, your energy. Lord, I value my time now. I don't engage in unnecessary conversations anymore. My energy is increased. Understand that this is about progress and not perfection. You may start and you may not get it right in the beginning, but you have to continue. Yeah, so if this resonated with you, please let me know the simple habits that you have cultivated. Please share in the comment section. You see that these are not hard things. I just learned the language of money this year and my life has improved, and I want the same for you. So let me know what you think in the comment section. Like this video, please share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in my next video. Bye.